Hajj and team, may you kindly please stand up. Oh, UPC, oh, Mama, oh, UPC, the Congress of the People.
The Uganda People's Congress, UPC, has officially released its roadmap for internal party elections and nomination processes, including updated fees for individuals seeking to contest under the party flag. Hajji Kazimbiraine Mahmoud, the party's National Electoral Commission chairperson, announced the roadmap at the Uganda House in Kampala. The internal election roadmap begins with the mobilisation of members, which started in January and will run till June this year. Issuance of membership cards that runs from February till May, forwarding of the party register to districts from May 20th, 2025. From May 15th to May 28th, 2025, the party will conduct elections at the branch level across Uganda, followed by elections at the parish, sub-county, county and city division levels. Between June 30th and July 6th, 2025, UPC will elect its district and city party chairpersons and nominate candidates for the position of party president. Special Interest Group, SIG, elections will be held from May 15th to 17th, 2025, to elect SIG representatives. From 8th to 10th October, election of candidates for national positions, including parliamentary and local government elections, will be held. UPC has also announced nomination fees for various positions as follows. Presidential candidate, Uganda, shillings 20 million. Parliamentary candidate, Uganda shillings 20 million LCV. Chairpersons, city mayors, Uganda shillings 500,000. Municipal mayors, city division mayors, Uganda shillings 300,000. Municipal division chairpersons, 200,000 in district councillors and sub-county representatives, 100,000 Uganda shillings. LC3 chairpersons, UGX 20,000 Tyson LC3 councillors. For parish and village, UGX $10,000 and UGX $5,000, respectively. Hajji Kazimbiraine encouraged youth to actively participate in the upcoming party activities.
I welcome you here today to come and hear what we have organized for our people to participate in the forthcoming elections, 2026. Before I read to you this roadmap, can we ask ourselves, why do we need this roadmap? Why do we need this roadmap? This roadmap is very necessary because as a party, we do not have just one person wishing to contest for various policies, various positions of in the party. We've got quite a number of people, and we've got a number of steps that we take to go and get to the competition. We, as a political party, our aim and objectives is to do nothing but take over the mantles of this country and lead them to prosperity. This is why we need to prepare ourselves very clearly, very meticulously, so that our people and the nation as a whole gets to know who is actually the flag bearer of UPC. By presenting to you this roadmap, we are not only presenting to you a roadmap, but we are presenting to you a party that we will want to ask you to support so that we can take over the mantles of this country and make sure that we lead you to where Museveni will lead you from where Museveni has dropped you since 40 years ago, when he thought he was doing a good job to remove UPC from the governance of this country. UPC has done quite a lot of things. UPC has got a lot of programs. UPC has got a lot of plans for this country. And we are giving you this roadmap so that you can give us an opportunity to explain to you what our programs are, and then you appreciate them and give us your vote. And I want to assure you, the people, we as an electoral commission, shall present to you for elections will be worth your trust. And I want to ask you to say, please, let us trust them. And this is why we are saying, a UPC! UPC! You and me! Everybody, UPC. Everywhere, UPC. Kigezi, UPC. Ankole, UPC. Toro, UPC. Bunyoro, UPC. Lango, UPC. Ankole, UPC. Arua, UPC. West Nile, Karamoja, everybody. Hey. Thank you very much. Of the press, this is the roadmap we have prepared for the forthcoming general elections. Following the release of the revised national roadmap for the 2025-2026 general elections by the Independent Electoral Commission, the UPC Cabinet sat on the 24th of April 2025 and approved an internal electoral program in readiness for the 2025-2026 general elections. In accordance with Article 21, subsection 1 and 2 of the Uganda People's Congress Constitution of 2008, as amended, the Party Electoral Commission hereby releases the approved party roadmap for the 2025-2026 general elections and guidelines.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.